It was a regular sunny afternoon, and the calm atmosphere in a certain suburban house was about to be shattered by the usual antics of Tom and Jerry. The house was quiet, but the kitchen was bustling with activity as Tom cleaned up, trying hard to impress his owner, who's just left a new sheet of instructions on the fridge. Meanwhile, Jerry was lurking behind the counter, eyes gleaming with mischief. Outside, Spike and his son, Tyke, relaxed in the backyard. Spike warned Tyke to stay away from trouble, especially around Tom. Tyke, wanting to show he's as tough as his dad, eagerly nodded, though a curious glance at the kitchen window signaled his adventurous side. Inside, Tom had begun baking, head buried in a recipe book as he followed his owner's instructions along the lines of, "Don't mess up this time, Tom." As he measured flour, Jerry snuck into the pantry, eyeing the cheese cubes with delight. Seeing Tom distracted, Jerry devised a wicked plan. Jerry slipped onto the counter, swiftly replacing baking powder with itching powder. Tom, unaware of the swap, continued his work, preparing the batter. As the cake baked, the sweet fragrance filled the house, inviting Jerry to sneak closer. Tom pulled the cake out from the oven, beaming with pride. But as Tom sniffed the cake, his nose started to twitch. Suddenly, a series of sneezes erupted from him. Alarmed, Tom rubbed his face frantically, managing to spot Jerry just when he zipped back into his mouse hole, chuckling. Deciding not to let Jerry have the last laugh, Tom rolled up his sleeves, ready to catch that troublesome mouse. Just as he advanced stealthily, Jerry darted out, setting off strategically placed mousetraps that clanged behind him like a drum roll. The ruckus drew Spike and Tyke, who peeked through the doorway. Tyke, intrigued by the commotion, laughed as Tom chased Jerry around the kitchen, both narrowly dodging the mishaps scattered around.